guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna do some unboxing. So I got a few things that I ordered online and I thought that I will unbox it with you guys since you guys really seem to like my last unboxing video on my Instagram. So the first thing we have is this. So this is a packet from Minimalist and I am super excited for this one. And then we have this one right here. This is from Ajio and these are footwear from Ajio. So I'm gonna start with the Minimalist first and then I'm gonna start unboxing the footwear, and I will also show you guys by trying them on. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be opening this Minimalist package. The packaging is really cool from what I've actually seen people unboxing this one. So yeah, and actually Minimalist the deliveries I feel like quite delayed. I think I placed this order on 3rd or 4th April, I would say 3rd April, and I received it just today. Today is 12th April, I suppose. So they do take like more than a week or to 1.5 weeks to deliver. But anyways, so this is how it looks, the classic like Be Minimalist. And then when you open it, it comes with this. So this is what it says: open to see magic/science. So this company, I really like this tagline that they have, that they believe in science rather than magic, and I completely agree. Like, skincare is not magic. I feel like a lot of times we really want to see magical results, but that's not true. Like, you cannot have magical results. Your skin is living and it takes time to work on itself. And I mean, yeah, so it comes with this invoice, and this is how it looks like. Really good packaging. These classic, I don't know, these are a waste, to be honest. And this is the product that I ordered. So this is their newest launch. This is the Minimalist Retinol 0.3% and Q10 serum. This is their very new launch and I was super excited. So this one was on my list and I thought I should give it a try. I really wanted to include retinol into my skincare routine, and so that is why I thought I should give this a try. And this retails for 599 rupees for 30 ml. Comes in a really classic packaging, and yeah, I'll try to give a review for this on my Instagram. I don't think I'm gonna start using this until like let's just say a month at least, because I'm trying out some other products currently. So a month later I'm gonna try this out and then again test it for a month or two and then give you guys my final results. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It will be linked down below. Next up, we're gonna unbox my favorite thing. Actually, both of them are my favorite, not gonna lie. These footwear. So I ordered nude stilettos from Ajio. I had been eyeing them for such a long time, but they were like always either out of stock or not available in my size. And this time they had it and I was like, you know what, let me just get it. I will of course link them down below in case you guys wanna try it out. So these are how they look like. Not gonna lie, I've already opened it. Yeah, so this is how it comes. It does come in a really good packaging. I was really impressed. So it came in these two separate bags, like each heel in a bag, and this is how they look like. These are the nude stilettos. The heel is of a decent size, like 3.5 inches, and it comes with an ankle loop. So this is a really tricky part. I was really confused when this came, because it comes with a loop which you need to attach, and this was the first time I had something like this. So I had to watch a YouTube video and actually figure out how it works, but I will show it to you guys how it looks on me. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my right foot and show it to you guys from here. So what you do first is you put your feet in, and then these are the two sides of the ankle loop. So you cross them over from behind. So this side will cross over and come out from here, and the one loop that is here, I'm sorry if it's like weird, it comes from behind and it crosses over like this. Now this is a lock. So they have different holes based on your fitting size. So I have it in the last hole. I've properly locked it up, and what you do is simply attach this loop right here on the belt beyond the lock for this one. So once this, I don't know what you call it, like this pin which you enter, uske baad just lock this hoop this way and it's done. So let me just show it to you guys once more. What you do basically is this part you insert it like this, and this you do after this pin. So once you do it, it's completely locked, and there you have your loop. In some ankle loop stilettos they do have like that attachment, like chota sa belt where you can, you know, insert this behind, but this one doesn't have it. But anyway, it fits me perfectly. So this is how it is. I'm gonna wear the other one and show you guys. This is how it is. Just gonna lift and I'm gonna show you guys how these heels look. I really like them. My size is 37 just in case, and I will definitely link these down below. These are such classic nude heels. I really like them, and I feel like with this ankle loop these heels are really comfortable. So I feel like this is a really good purchase. Just in case you guys get a better look, these are how the heels are. I really like them, like the classic nude heel, and the ankle loop I feel like is so comfortable. The shoe is not tight, you don't really feel pressurized on your toes, because usually with stilettos your toes feel really pressured, but these are really comfortable. So it's super late in the night, so I'm sorry if my voice is a little bit low. It's almost 12:30 and I'm sitting to shoot right now because I was very determined कि आज तो करना ही है. And also don't mind the shine on my face because it's my skincare and it does take a while to sink in. Anyways, I really wanted to do a grocery haul because I did get a bunch of groceries delivered from DMart. Okay, so we have a few groceries and then there are a few things here and there. I will show you guys everything that I got. A few of the things my mom has kept in the fridge. So those were butter, like the normal Amul butter, and then there was Amul ka garlic butter, and I think those were the two things I can think of. And yeah, let's get started with the haul. So the first thing here, okay, let's just talk about it. My mom has already packed it in a plastic bag. But anyway, so the first thing that I want to talk about is this. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, this one. So this is the Karen's chocolate milkshake. Oh my god, you guys, please buy this if you are someone who loves milkshakes and chocolate milk, and I think all of us do. Then please get this one. So I tried this for the first time in my college canteen and I was in love. It is so good, it's so yummy, and trust me, it's much better than the Hershey's ka chocolate milkshake. It's so much more chocolatey, so like it's not like overly sweet or it's not even bitter. It has the perfect chocolate taste and it's like that perfect thick consistency. I love it. It is amazing. And so I really got the 1 liter pack because it's my favorite. So this is my first pick and I really like it, so please give it a try. The next thing that I got is this. This is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash, a classic face wash. So I usually use the Dermaco AHA BHA face wash, and before that I used to use the Aha Glow S, which is again an AHA BHA face wash. But I really want to start introducing retinol into my skincare, and I am getting the minimalist retinol serum. I think it's a 0.3% retinol plus Q10 or something, which is the newest launch. So I'm getting that. So I did not want to really mix AHA, BHA and retinol because they can be super drying on the skin. So I wanted like a very like simple, no active face wash. So I think this was the perfect buy that I could think of. So yeah, this is what I got. Next thing that I have here is this. This is the Delecta Natural Cheddar Cheese. Now I have never really tried cheddar cheese, but I saw this in stock and I was like, I need to grab this. I really wanted to give it a try. So it's 199 for 200 grams, which I feel like is a decent price for, you know, such different varieties of cheese. So I'm really excited. You have to keep it in the freezer. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one out. Next, again we have this one. This is the Delecta natural feta cheese. This is my favorite feta cheese. I really always get this one only, and it's, yeah, like it's the normal feta cheese. I really like it. I really like this brand as well. I use the cheese, like any cheese I use from this brand. So I use their mozzarella cheese, I use the cheddar cheese which I bought, and this is the feta cheese that I use. So I really like this brand and really like this feta cheese as well. So if you're someone who wants to try it, it's like 100 gram, I don't know how much, yeah, it's 100 gram packaging. So if you're someone who wants to try it for the first time, then you can definitely go for this one. Next we have this. This is the Rajan snack. So I don't know, I think this is some Madras mixture. So my dad really likes this one, and that is why I got this. I don't really know how it tastes. It's like a mixture of like save and like peanuts and I don't know, bundi and all of that. So yeah, it's like a normal, like, I don't know what you say, like a mixture, and yeah, it's really good. My dad really likes this one, and that is why I got it. Next thing that I got is this. So these are 2 packs of the Actu butter flavored microwave popcorn. These are like the bigger versions. I think they do have a smaller one as well. And yeah, these are the classic popcorns. I really like them. They make a really good afternoon snack. So that's why I got these. So super excited about these. Next I have this. This is the bourbon, like the classic bourbon original biscuit ka packet, which is, this is I think, I don't know how many grams it's supposed to be honest. Yeah, this is the 150-gram one. I don't really like bourbon. I know that's super weird because all of us grew up eating this as a kid, and I also really used to like it when I was a kid, but I don't know, growing up I just don't like it anymore. But my parents do really like this one, so that is why I got this. Next up is this. These are the Cheera's yellow banana chips. I am actually really picky when it comes to my banana chips. I do like them to be thick and salted, and these are the perfect ones because sometimes either they are just too thick and not salted, or they're too thin and they're overly salted. So these are the perfect ones, and I really like them. So that's why I got this one. Next up we have Hakka noodles. So these are the Ching's Hakka noodles. I really like noodles. I've used to hate actually noodles, not gonna lie. Like, there was a time when I used to hate noodles. I don't know why. It's maybe because the way it was made at home. But recently, since the lockdown, I have been loving noodles so much. I love the way I make them, like very simple. I don't really add a lot of stuff. I do add a lot of veggies because I am a veggie girl. But other than that also, I really love noodles, so you know, we really keep it stocked up. So that is why I got 2 of them. Next up is this interesting thing. So this is the Snap-in Piri Piri spice mix. So they have 3 piri piri sachets and 3 shake bags. And this is for 49 rupees, which I think is a really good deal. I usually try the Kia Piri Piri mix. It is so similar to the McDonald's one, but they did not have it in stock and they had this one instead. So I'm really excited to try this because it does come with a bag also. So I really want to see like how this one compares to the McDonald's and the Kia one. Next up I got this. Now this is the Snap-in Kashmiri Chili Paprika, and it really says Kashmiri chili paprika, and the ingredients are just chili. So I don't know if it's like just red chili powder, but I really wanted paprika because a lot of recipes that I make do demand it, but I usually just let it go because I don't have it. But I'm really excited to try this one. I hope it's not just chili powder, the regular lal mirchi powder. So yeah, this is what I got. Next up we have this one. It's the classic again. This is the Dr. Oetker Fun Foods Veg Mayonnaise. This is the original one. We really like to use these sachets and refill pouches because we don't really eat mayonnaise that often. Sometimes we just use it in salads or a spread, something like that. But we don't really use it that much, so we just stick to these small sachets which come really handy. Next up we have this one. So this is the Pond's talcum powder in the pink lady variant. So we have a 400-gram one, This one I and my mom use. So this is the powder that I actually use to set my makeup. I know it's not the best and I really want to invest in a good setting powder, but for now this is what I use and I feel like it does a fairly good job. So this one bigger one I and my mom use, and this is the one that my dad uses. So yeah, I got two of them. Next up we have the classic Maggi 2-minute Maggi. I was out of Maggi and I'm someone who loves Maggi, if you did not know. So I had to stock up on this. I don't know how many are in these. I think yeah, okay, it's a 6-pack. So yeah, I got the Maggi. Next on the list is this. This is the Dabur Chyawanprash. My dad eats this one, so I got another one of these. So two of these. It's like a classic. I don't know if you have had Chyawanprash, but I've had it, and let's just say that was not the pleasant thing that I've had so far, but my dad really likes it, so that was for him. Next up we have these. So these are Pringles. These are my absolute favorite. So these are the Pringles in Desi Masala Tadka, and oh my god girl, I love this. I can empty this one bottle in a day. I love it so much. It tastes very similar to the orange kurkure, but it's so much more like, you know, like added masala. The masala is so much more flavorful, and I would say it's a little bit too salty, but I don't really mind it because I love salt in my food. Even if it's a little bit over, I don't mind it. So I really like these ones. Like, I feel like out of all the flavors, this one is the best. I know all of you like cream and onion, but please, like, I think it's time to get over the cream and onion phase and we need to try new things. So please, if you haven't tried this, give this a shot. Really like this one. Okay, so next up we have supplies that are for cleaning, and like, keep in mind the current scenario. So I'm talking about these. These are the Savlon disinfectant spray. I've been using these for quite a while, and let's just say like these are the best I've tried out of, like, I've tried the Dettol one and a few other brands, but these are the ones that I go back to because these smell amazing. I get it that, you know, you spray disinfectant every now and then everywhere, so it's kind of overwhelming with that smell, and I am someone who is kind of a little sensitive to smell, so I like it to be a little bit mellow or something that I would like, and I really like these ones. These smell like the car air fresheners and I absolutely love them, so I had to stock up on these, so I got two of these. And the next thing that I got is this disinfectant cleaner. So this is the Phenox Strong Disinfectant Cleaner. My mom really wanted it, so that's why I got it, and I think this is like, you add this in your mop ka water and then you mop the floor or whatever it is, I don't know. So yeah, I think that is that, and with that we come to an end of the grocery haul. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.